Well, welcome everyone. I'm hoping you had an enjoyable first module. So as we get to the close of it, there was a few questions on exactly what was expected on Zybooks Lab 2.5, which is actually assignment in Module 1. And what you really need to do is two things. So let's go over the first thing and we'll take care of that. So you'll have a mini program here that really doesn't have anything, and you're going to need to put your code in here. You're going to create a couple variables over here. One's going to hold the gas miles per gallon, the other cost for gas. Then you're going to calculate and output the actual gas cost for 20 miles, 75 miles, and 500 miles. So now you take care of that, and then you put in your code, and you make sure that you're in develop mode. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to run the program. Once you run the program, Zybooks will compile it, it will grade it, and if everything is fine, it will give you a good grade. If there's an issue that you missed, then what you're going to need to do is fix them and keep running them till you get the score that you want. When you finally do, that's the part where I take over. So what you want to do is put in your prompts there. Make sure that you don't run it again when you put in your prompts, because Zybooks will mark you down, but that's okay because they'll take the highest score. But go into submit mode. Run your code after you go into submit mode. You're going to actually submit it for grading. So you can go into submit mode and you can put in your, let's just put in a cout, and I'll just do something simple. What is, and make sure you put the semicolon, then you're going to do the cin for whatever you're going to get. So I'm going to leave it at this because anymore we'll get some errors because you haven't declared any variables. Once you get done with that and everything is fine, then you submit it for grading. Now what I normally tell students to do is copy your code into Visual Studio and run it from there to see if there's any errors. But the only thing you're really doing is putting in some prompts. Now I have a video that explains what to do to submit it to me and what I'm looking for. So look at that first and then do your submission. But you do your developed code, submit that to Zybooks, then you do the submit mode, and you submit it to me, and I grade that. So you actually get 2 grades in there, so hopefully you will both get high scores. Please remember, I'm only an email away. I'll do the very best that I can to answer them in a very timely manner. I'm going to be sending out an email tomorrow with my schedule because I do teach other classes and I have church obligations. So there's times that you may think that, wow, he's not responding, but that could be I'm in an area where I can't respond, or if I'm at church or something other than that. So if I don't respond to you timely, please feel free to send me another email or whatever it is, and I'll make sure that I respond to you as quickly as possible. So that's all I have for right now. Please, again, let me know exactly what you want. I know it's late on Sunday, but that's okay. So work on that and let me know if you have any issues. I probably won't get back to you till tomorrow, but I will get back to you. So have a wonderful, wonderful day.